Hello everyone, this is Pranjal Mishra and Aditya Sharma and Rajat Purwar from team 29-1 from Indian Railways Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering, Jamalpur. This is the video demonstration for the practical application of our project, vibration analysis of bearings. We intend to demonstrate the visual difference between a good and a faulty bearing using discrete Fourier transforms to corner the frequencies which trigger the various defects. Here we have a cone and visual checking machine for roller and inner race in the CTRV section. We place the bearing here on the spindle. We visually inspect it first.
Here you can see is the cone checking visual inspection machine for cartridge taper roller bearings made by Timken NBC, used in the wheels of Indian Railway wagons. The cone is mounted on the spindle of the inspection machine and is rotated for inspection. The inspector inspects the bearing by looking into the rollers. This is the cup into which the cone fits. We have isolated a cup from a bearing shaft and are using it for mounting the accelerometer sensor. We will mount the accelerometer sensor like this. The input and we are also using a Hall effect sensor which gives a reference signal whenever it comes in contact with the south pole. The signal from the accelerometer and the Hall sensor are sent through an analog circuit into a Stellaris LM3S9B96 microcontroller. We are also using a second Stellaris LM9092 microcontroller as USB to CDC converter for sending data at high rate to the PC.
We next mount the plate on top of the bearing. A Hall effect sensor and a 3-axis accelerometer are placed on top of the plate. The accelerometer used is MEMS based and right now it is being used on a 2G scale. The input from the accelerometer then goes through an LM3S9B96 and is then taken onto the laptop. Now we perform the practical demonstration at the wheel and axle division of Jamalpur Locomotive Workshop of Indian Railways. Here we see that we have used two Stellaris microprocessors as a USB to the CTC converter to send the input to our laptops. Stellaris happens to be known as a universal kit and we have used two Stellaris kits here. We observe the real-time vibration data in a Simplot software. This happens to be the good bearing. And now we observe the bad bearing. As you can see, the real-time vibration data in the Simplot software looks something like this. This happens to be a spalling defect.
At the end, we would like to sincerely thank Professor Sameer Sohani, Professor WMT, Indian Railways Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering, Jamalpur, for helping us all through the developments of our project, for helping us with the code development and logical analysis. We would also like to thank Shri A.K. Bharti, Deputy CME, Wagon and Manufacturing, Jamalpur Workshop of the Indian Railways.